2 years, alamin kung paano. Kasi kung may lote ka, baka ito na yung hinihintay mo. Maraming nagtatayo ng building, pero hindi lahat kumikita agad. Alam mo kung anong difference? Strategic design, right materials, reliable team, at tamang execution. Dito sa Dream Archon, hindi lang yan basta drawing. Lahat ng plano nakabase sa kita, market, at long-term ROI. Akala ng iba makakatipid sila pag hindi kumuha ng architect. Pero ang ending, ulit-ulit ang gastos, walang direction, at hindi nakakapagpaupa ng maayos. Tipid sa simula, pero ang ending, sobrang gastos. May clients kami na ROI na in 24 to 30 months kasi pinlano naming mabuti ang layout, napili ang tamang materials at na-execute ang construction ng walang delay. Plus, tinulungan naming i-market yung units nila. So may tenants agad bago pa matapos ang building. Kung may lote ka at pangarap mong magkaroon ng passive income, let's design it right the first time. ROI in 2 years? Possible kung may plano ka ngayon. DM us na. Let's talk about how to turn your lot into your next big income source. And follow us na, baka mawala pa kami sa feed mo, sayang yung mga tips ko. Dream Archon, we design with heart, we build with purpose.